top of the morning. 9 o'clock. Damn, it feels good though. Feels good to be a gangster. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Anyway. Had to stop and get me a quick coffee, man. I got that caffeine running through my fucking veins right now. I feel good. All right. Quick little video for y'all. The review on the Thrashin Supply stealth gloves. I've had them for a few months now, maybe a month and a half actually. I'm not gonna fucking lie here. And we're gonna talk about these bad boys, right? Take a look at that Thunderbolt. I love it. I just had to point out that cool little thing real quick. But all right, so if you look back at some of my older videos, honestly, just look back 2 months ago, you'll see for the last 2 years I've been running these thicker gloves. They worked really well for California weather, especially because at night, you know, I did a lot of night riding out there. I worked nights, so it always got quite chilly in the 60s at night for a majority of the year. So I love those gloves for that application. But here in Florida, man, it's just too fucking much. Damn, I think that dude's gonna fly that thing. That's sick. So I went ahead and wanted to find me a thinner pair of gloves, and thankfully I came across these Thrashin ones. I've seen some other ones online, like they pop up as ads on Facebook. I think it's like, I'll drop it, I'll find it out and drop it on the screen now. So that's the name of the other brands that I've seen, and I actually rode with a guy that had them, and he only had them for a few months, and they started to rip and tear around the seams. So I'm glad I didn't go with those. The Thrashin Supply Stealth are fucking amazing so far. This is a size large. The only complaint I have as of right now is that the thumbs are a little bit bigger than the fingers. So I have a little bit too much play, and where that affects me the most is it is touchscreen compatible, so it kind of puts a damper on that just a little bit. But that's okay, because I can just also use my index finger. It's not like I'm texting and driving or anything. I'm just, you know, sometimes I swipe up to open my fucking garage or something, I don't know, before I pull up. So that's the one complaint I have. Now, when you're riding, the wind cracks, or the wind comes through these gloves amazing, dude. I mean, my hands have not sweat since I started wearing these gloves. I fucking love it. All right, ultimately the color scheme I wanted was the orange and black, but they were sold out, and I was gonna go on a longer road trip, so I wound up going with the red and black, and I love them. I really do. The orange and black is still fucking sick though, don't get me wrong. Any complaints other than the thumb? I'm trying to think about my throttle hand here. No, not really. And the reason why I'm questioning it a little bit is because the back of these, so like the palm side, are actually super fucking grippy, guys. Legitimately fucking grippy as a capital MF. You feel me? So seriously, they grip the rubber amazing. Like hold on. Probably a bad demonstration right there. See, this is how I wanted to come up with a turn. Ooh, the bike. Get the bike down, son. Let's go. Little backfire in the morning. Let's see. Look at my throttle. It's sticking. I need to change these grips. Yeah, I need to change them. That's dangerous. But let's see. 2 fingers. Look at that, dude. It's sticking. What the fuck is going on? So that's cool. That's a problem that just started today. Yeah. See, these are just slip-on rubber pieces, and I don't know. I liked them at first, but that's not what this video is about. We'll bring these up in a later video. Anyway, back to scheduled program here. So the design is amazing. I love them. No real complaints. I really think if you're looking for something that keeps your hands cool, offers some protection, there's no way these gloves are gonna keep me from fucking road rash for very long. I don't know. I see people wearing them and doing wheelies and like dragging their hand, so they definitely offer some protection, but they're not going to be leather gloves. There's no way. There's no way. They're too thin. But this is exactly what I was looking for, because guys, it gets so fucking hot out here, you know, noon, 1 o'clock. It's 96 degrees outside with 100% humidity. I mean, you're just drenched, but my hands are not, and I love that. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. I think that everybody should own a pair of these. They're fucking like 45 bucks or 50 bucks. Have them in your arsenal just in case it's a little bit warmer outside, or you just want to go for a quick rip. I hate riding with no gloves. It's just like a mental thing for me. But all in all, highly recommend them. They look fucking sick. Sizing wise, what I did was, you can go on their website, look at the size chart, and then just get a tape measure or a ruler and measure from here to here. I sized up. My boy's gonna buy a medium. I'm gonna try those on, and I don't know, but if you're just a normal person, I feel like a large, I don't know what I mean by normal, but I don't know, a large will probably do you fine, or a medium. Not too many people I know would probably run an extra small or an extra large, but yeah, just take that measurement. That's all you need to do, from one side here to here, and make sure it's hand towards you, right palm towards you. Where the heck am I going? Oops, I need a whip a Yui here, boys. But hey, they're gloves, man. How long of a video should this really fucking be? You heard I'd recommend them. I've wore many's of gloves for the last 10 years of me riding. The Thrashin Supply Stealths are up there in top 3. Maybe even top 2. The gloves I was wearing before, the gray ones, I don't even think it would make the top 5 list. I mean, it had... well, you guys don't care because you're watching this video. So, yeah, these are top 2. Hands down. So far they're holding up really well. I do put them to the test, you know. It's not like I just sit here and I baby them. Like, no, I'm ripping, I'm gripping, I'm doing all kinds of things. So yeah, anyway, I appreciate y'all checking out my video. Make sure you like and subscribe, because we're going to be doing a lot of reviews on the things that I run, and my motovlogging setup, all that, and I'll see you on the next one.